that they need to go out to vote because the vote brings two changes. One, a new change and development towards themselves and their families. And other one is it gives an opportunity to change the lives of downtrodden, the lives of Dalits, the lives of poor, and the lives of those every old-aged individuals or people who have been abandoned. So the vote is the most, I would say, precious social work, along with a selfish desire to move on towards the development. So I would say, you may not have money, but if you have vote, then you have contributed to the nation to go towards Viksit Bharat. And the best thing that all of you have to understand is, सबका साथ में ही विकास है, अलग-अलग जीने में विकास नहीं है.
మీరు హైదరాబాద్ పార్లమెంట్ అభ్యర్థి మల్కాజ్గిరిలో ఓటేసుకుని ఎట్లా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారు? మీరు ఓటేసుకోలేకపోయారు.
అలా ఎందుకు అనుకోవాలి? ఎందుకు? ఎక్కడ ఉన్నా కూడా నా ఓటుని నేను వినియోగించుకునే